Hi friends, welcome to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now you might be wondering, who am I? I am Violetta. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make an interesting and quick recipe. This recipe is called Apple Pickle. We use pickle everywhere, whether you put it in your sandwich as actual pickles or you use it with your yogurt rice or fried rice. Okay, let's get started making this delicious apple pickle. I am going to be using a Macintosh red apple. You can use any apple of your choice. Let's core the apple. And dice into small pieces. We have cut the apples into small pieces. Let's heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Turn off the flame. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. Add the chopped apples and mix well. This pickle pairs really well with roti, fried rice, biryani, and of course with your yogurt rice. Ta-da! Quick and simple apple pickle is ready. Transfer to a serving dish. If you guys have any recipe requests, comment down below in the comment section and we will be more than happy to make the recipes for you. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!